Alright, let's see if this works. You might be able to hear me, you might not. But we're getting ready to take off. Got one plane in the pattern. Alright, lights. Camera. And action. NOCO traffic, Skyhawk 118 Foxtrot Sierra is taking off runway 33 with an east departure. NOCO traffic. Okay, nobody's coming in. Oh, nobody's taking off this way. Everything worked on the run up, so we will put full throttle in. Flaps are up. Waiting for airspeed to live, rotate at about 55.
NOCO traffic down.
And some good climbing right away, good. Wow, less than 2,000 feet, that's great.
NOCO traffic, Skyhawk 2 Foxtrot Sierra's final runway 33 NOCO.
Alright, and then we're gonna fly up to about 5,700 feet, looking towards the east. There was an IFR flight over to the east, so we'll see how that plays out. Might have to adjust our route accordingly. I think it's probably there's some fog that way, so. Clear, right, and we are departing to the east.